In today's show, Bitcoin price matches the StocktoFlow forecast as $100,000 halving nears. In today's episode, we'll be taking a look at this StocktoFlow model, which shows BTC on track for $100,000 in 2021. Also in today's show, Bitcoin breaking this single level will spark a parabolic 800% rally. We're going to be discussing this and taking a look at what popular crypto analyst Nebraskan Gunnar has to share. He wrote here, this means a weekly close above 14,200 would see Bitcoin reach over $75,000. We'll also be taking a look at what Galaxy has to share. Breaking the green line will be what triggers the next parabolic movement that will take us to $100,000 minimum. Save this picture. You are not late. You are early. And as you can see, this got 633 retweets and 2.6 thousand likes. I'm going to be breaking all this down in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. As you can see, it's starting to surge. Once again, I'll be doing a Bitcoin price action. All this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every day. So be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And before we kick off today's show, if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, click that link right below the video in the description. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right into the StocktoFlow model forecast, which shows Bitcoin at $100,000 after the halving. So Bitcoin now almost perfectly aligns with the historically accurate price chart, which has charted its growth from pennies to digital gold. According to data from Digital Lick, a resource that monitors Bitcoin's positive relation to the StocktoFlow model as of January 20th, Bitcoin is exactly where it should be. And taking a look at Digital Lick here, it tracks the StocktoFlow model, as you can see here, and I'll include this in the show notes below the video in the description so you can check it out. And if you're not familiar with the StocktoFlow model, it measures the Bitcoin price using two factors: the stock, which is the number of Bitcoins in circulation, and the flow, which is the number of new Bitcoins entering circulation. Bitcoin's low emission rate relative to its existing supply, like gold, means StocktoFlow constitutes useful evidence in the argument that Bitcoin is digital gold. The cryptocurrency's run up to $9,000 just a few days ago took it slightly over where the StocktoFlow pricing forecast suggested it might trade, as you can see here on the graph. At this time, Bitcoin is currently trading at $8,634, up 0.72% in the past 24 hours. And as we can see, most of the major cryptos are pumping back in the green. Satoshi Vision up a whopping 18%, trading at $325. Bitcoin Cash up almost 5%, trading at $344. Ethereum is up 2.8%, trading at $168. XRP up 3.7%, trading at 23 cents. Miss Litecoin up 2%, trading at $57. BNB, EOS, Link, we're all pumping, baby. So this is very bullish for crypto. According to the StocktoFlow model, Bitcoin is on track for $100,000 in 2021. Pretty epic, right? StocktoFlow's creator, the analyst known as PlanB, originally suggested that Bitcoin would hover at an average of in the year before its block reward halving in May of 2020, now less than 4 months out. And at this point, a 50% reduction in the number of new Bitcoins released to miners each block would further limit the flow versus the existing stock. Thereafter, he said, price performance should accelerate dramatically by 2022. A single Bitcoin should be worth around $100,000. So what are your thoughts surrounding the StocktoFlow model? Do you believe that it is accurate as it has been and shown us historically? Do you believe that Bitcoin will surpass $100,000 in 2021 or 2022? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And if you're not following PlanB, the originator of the StocktoFlow model, be sure to follow him over on Twitter. He always has some goodies to share. In his recent tweet, He wrote, my second Bitcoin article, Efficient Market Hypothesis and Bitcoin Stock-to-Flow Model, looking at arbitrage, risk and return models and derivative markets. He definitely shares a lot of really good insights on the regular. And in other crypto news, Bitcoin breaking the single level will spark a parabolic 800% rally. Bitcoin's 2020 uptrend has drastically shifted the market structure of Bitcoin, which was previously shaping up to be incredibly bearish while it was hovering within the $6,000 region. Just recently, the subsequent rallies from this price region, however, has allowed it to climb all the way up to $9,200, which appears to be a key resistance level that bulls are currently in the process of contesting. Now, one prominent analyst is noting that Bitcoin is currently on the brink of a massive parabolic rally that can send it to fresh all-time highs, although the crypto needs to break through a resistance level that currently sits roughly 64% above its current price. So Bitcoin's ongoing rally can soon turn parabolic if the bulls can push it above $14,200. With Bitcoin currently trading at $8,632, this marks a notable decline from its recent high of $9,200 that were set and attempted to propel the crypto towards a five-figure price region. The rejection at this level has bolstered bears, but the crypto has been able to remain above its near-term support at $8,500, which is a good sign. In order for this ongoing rally to be more than just a fleet and relief pump, bulls will need to build a major strength and push it above 14,200. Nebraskan Gunnar, a well-respected crypto analyst on Twitter, spoke about the importance of this level in a recent tweet, telling his followers that a weekly close above this price would open the gates for a rapid parabolic climb to fresh all-time highs of $75,000. Here's what Nebraskan Gunnar tweeted here on crypto Twitter. Bitcoin. History tells us that a weekly close above the 0.65 Fibonacci will send Bitcoin into a new parabolic bull run. The 0.236 Fibonacci has often acted as a bottom, and the 4.23 Fibonacci has been exceeded each time. This means a weekly close above 14,200 would see Bitcoin reach over $75,000. And he included this graph, which I'll include in the show notes below the video in the description. And taking a look at some of the responses to that tweet, Bitqueen BR wrote, so many numbers, looks like the Matrix. Mac responded, just because it happened 3 times does not mean it will happen a 4th. LOL, hashtag maths, hashtag history. And let's check out some Mo. BNB lover put, not happening soon for sure. This dude put, let's go. Crypto Spain wrote, A, this would mean nearly 1.5 trillion market cap. B, money doesn't grow on trees. C, remember, you're using a log-based chart. Exponential profits can last forever. And D, please don't forget also that a lot of people follow and trust your words. Nebraskan Gunnar responded to this tweet saying, I've been saying it for a while, and I think a HTF close above 14K will result in a parabolic move. How high? No one knows. AVR Crypto wrote, Bitcoin will exceed $100,000. And Crypto Karma wrote, nice chart with facts. The only thing worries me looking at the full picture. Number one, price never spent this much time under the 200 moving average in the past like we did during 2018, 2019. And number two, we never had a lower high after we broke the bear market and went upward. Nebraskan Gunnar added, I'm HTF bullish for a parabolic move if conditions are met. My recent tweet says I'm currently flat, so something to keep in mind. Other analysts agree fresh all-time highs may be right around the corner. Nebraskan Gunnar isn't the only analyst who's noting that Bitcoin is on the cusp of a major rally as Galaxy, another prominent analyst, recently told his nearly 60,000 followers that Bitcoin is close to breaking a key multi-year trend line that could catalyze a move to $100,000. Taking a look at Galaxy's tweet, he wrote, breaking the green line will be what triggers the next parabolic movement that will take us to 100,000 minimum. Save this picture. You are not late. You are early. BTC. And checking out some of the replies, Cloud Galaxy wrote 330,000 Bitcoin December 21st. Mark my word. Pussycat wrote, let's go. Life is too short. Touche. So although the bulls do have some serious work ahead of them, if they want to generate a movement of this kind of magnitude, it does appear that the stars are once again beginning to align for Bitcoin. Thank you, Satoshi Nakamoto. We appreciate you. The total crypto market cap is sitting just under $240 billion, with $109 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and the current Bitcoin dominance is 65.6%. 0.7%. So the dominance has taken a step back. And taking a look at the top gainers in the past 24 hours, Bitcoin Satoshi Vision leading the pack by far, up 17%, trading at $318. MadeSafe Coin up 10%, trading at 8 cents. Ethereum Classic up 10%, trading at $9. Bitcoin Diamond up almost 10%, trading at 62 cents. Energy up 9%, trading at $1.75. And Hedge Trade up 9%, trading at $2.34. And to take a look at the biggest losers, we got Centrality leading, down 13%, trading at 6 cents. Cryptarium down 5%, trading at 41 cents. Nexo down 3%, trading at 10 cents. DX Chain Token down 2%, trading at 0.001. Bytecoin down 2%, trading at 0.0002. And Terra down 1.8%, trading at 19.6 cents. And checking out the BitMEX margins, we can see the bulls are back in control, leading with about 19 million in superiority, with longs leading 50.45% versus 49.55% shorts. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin right now? Drop me your thoughts in the comments right down below. And checking out the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, we're currently rated a 49, which is neutral. Yesterday we were a 48, neutral, and last week a 54, neutral, and last month we were rated a 22 in extreme fear. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity, and when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. And I just want to remind everyone, just in case you missed yesterday's episode entitled 2 Genuine Reasons Why the Bitcoin Price Will Hit 20,000 and the Top 20 Best Cryptos of 2020 for the new decade, be sure to check it out. And I also want to remind you that below my videos, there's a lot of resources. From a podcast promo where you can get $25 in free CMDX tokens from our sponsor, a link to our blog podcast website for you to check it out. You can subscribe on iTunes. You can subscribe on Spotify, subscribe on Google Play, subscribe on Stitcher Radio, subscribe and tune in. You can follow us on Twitter. You can join our private crypto Facebook group. You can join our private crypto Telegram group, and just so many resources here. Every show has show notes and resources for you to check it out, so I encourage you to do so. There's also a community tab where you can interact. I share a lot of polls. My most recent poll from a day ago says your favorite Bitcoin influencer, and Andreas Antonopoulos is leading this poll with 46% votes. And then next up on the list is Tim Draper. Another recent poll, your thoughts on Craig Wright. 47% of you believe he is the fake Toshi. And another one, what phase of the market is Bitcoin currently in? Most of you believe consolidation and slow recovery. So this is something that is very interactive. So I encourage you to check out the community section of our YouTube channel. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this crypto matrix. At this point, you have two choices: the blue pill or the red pill. Choose the blue pill, and you will wake up in Wonderland and forget everything you think you know about this crypto revolution. Choose the red pill, and you will see just how deep this crypto rabbit hole truly goes. The choice is yours, my friend. If you got value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And real quick before I go, if interested in tapping into other people's money to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, click that link right below the video in the description, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.